Believers Radio, Believers Radio, Believers.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a heat every 4 times of the week. Before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder that please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I got this POP drum kit slash RNB sample bag. It's a crazy sample bag, man, I tell you. So it has some claps, some cymbals, some hi-hats, some kicks, some midis, one shot, some percussion, and some snares. So I'm gonna be using Nexus to demonstrate the midis. So without no further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna load up the first midi. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, second midi. Alright, third midi. Sorry for that. And then there's a note here that's kind of, late a little bit. Let me just push this. Alright, fourth midi. Alright, fifth midi. Alright. This MIDI was inspired by people like Justin Bieber and who else? There's a lot of people on that list. I don't remember, but I was just trying to bring that feeling into the music. So when you actually get down and start to make a beat, you can actually bring that vibe. So let's go to the drums. Cymbals, hi-hats, kicks, alright, one shots. Guitar. Nice guitar, man. Percussion. my snares. All right, that's it, man. This is not a long video. I just wanted to show you the drum kit. It's a crazy drum kit. Make sure that you actually get it. Link in the description down below. And I keep saying that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my email and we'll get down to it. We'll get down to business. So enjoy the drum kit. Enjoy yourself making crazy banging beats. I can't wait to see what you guys are gonna make with this. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.